awkward. Welcome home. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys something very exciting. A labor of love that we've been working on since August. We have been working on our new home. So we want to give you guys an empty house tour before the moving craze and bringing everything in. Eric is behind the camera. Can you just say a little hello?
Hello.
He's helping me film this today, but we wanted to share with you guys what it looks like without anything and kind of give you the layout of the house. Right behind Eric is the front door, but this is kind of like the, what would you call this? Like the entryway, foyer area. Right to the left of me is the living room. Is it living room?
Yeah.
Living room, right. Here's just like the first living space. We're just doing like a couch, 2 chairs, no TV, kind of like just like a calm living area. And then this is the flooring that we picked. It's a very natural like wood, which is what we wanted to go for.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the foyer area basically, and then this stairs right here leads to upstairs, and then we're gonna get started on this level first, then the basement, then upstairs, and then outside. So come on up. Just follow me. This first door right here is just a closet, right? Is this gonna be the coat closet or just, we already have stuff in here. Look at this, desorden.
Not even moved in yet.
So now we're moving on to probably my favorite space in the entire house, the kitchen and the family room. So on this side is a family room, and honestly guys, what I love about this house is the amount of lighting that we get in here because of the windows and I just love the lighting in here. So over here is the family room. This is where we're gonna have like the couch, the TV, and then we have these beautiful big windows that bring out so much light. We also have this really nice, I don't know if you would call this a nice view. Do you think it's a nice view?
It can be
It
nice
can
sometimes.
be nice sometimes. Right now it's a little nasty. It's basically kind of like, I don't want to call it a swamp because a swamp sounds like the swamp. But it's just like a nice little creek, I guess.
A pond.
A pond right there, which is, when it's clean, it looks nice. So right behind the family room is the kitchen. This is my dream kitchen right here. This is our dream kitchen, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's really, really spacious. It has a lot of storage, which we love. So we're still trying to figure out this area right here because it's kind of like a big gap between the family room and the kitchen. But if you follow me to the kitchen, we have here the island with lots of storage in here. We have dishwasher over here, double sink, just a lot of storage, which I think we really needed. So one of my favorite things about the kitchen is the double oven, which you can do obviously cooking 2 separate things at once and also at 2 separate temperatures. So it's a time saver for the holidays. Gas stove, which is honestly my mom, you guys know we were living with my mom before this, and she had a gas stove and we noticed that it cooks food so much better and faster, so we liked that. Microwave up here, and then we have the pantry on this side. So this is what the pantry looks like over here. Nice and spacious. And then over here is the fridge, more storage up there. It's just overall just a lovely space to cook dinner in. I can't wait to cook. We don't even have pots and pans, but I can't wait to cook. Right over the kitchen, so this is the breakfast counter, which is, where you can have a quick breakfast. We got some stools for here. And this over here is called the morning room, which was in addition to, it was kind of like an upgrade, but we decided to do it because we wanted to have as much living space as possible. And so this morning room right here is where we're going to be putting the dining table. So you put dining table here, the chairs, and overall I feel like this room is just adds a lot of light and character to the house, and also adds more space. So we really love that. And then again, you have the view of the little creek. It was optional, but we decided to do it because if not, the kitchen would have ended here, which is, we were looking for as much space as possible. So that's another plus. So I guess we can go over on this side where the Eric calls this the drop zone, which is basically the entrance from the garage. So we have a garage. This is the garage. This is how it looks. So the door to enter from the garage leads you to this little area right here, like this drop zone area, which we don't know what we're doing here yet, but it's okay, we're just moving in. It has a powder room over here, so let me show you guys the powder room. This little bathroom. It has a toilet, sink. We're switching this out today, but it comes with a mirror. And then it has a closet in here, which we can use for coats and, you know, shoes and stuff. So that's basically everything on the first level. We had the living room, family room, kitchen, morning room, drop zone. So now that we did the main level, we're gonna go ahead and go upstairs. These are the stairs that we picked. For the stairs, we picked boxed oak. We had the option of doing carpeted stairs, but we wanted a little bit of contrast. And this also reminds us of our townhouse because we had similar stairs like this over there. So we just like the look. I feel like it's very clean. So yeah, let's go upstairs. So this over here is the first part of the upper level. We have the loft area, which eventually when the kitties come around, like when we have children, we'll make this into like a room. My dad said, you know, we can cut this off and make it a room if we need extra space. But for now, we're just leaving it as another living space because like I mentioned, Eric and I were really looking for something that would maximize our living space because we want to be able to host family. We have a huge family, like the combination of both of our families is a lot of people. So when we have family over, we want as much living room space as possible. So this was one of the options that we had was to do a loft. We also decided to do railing because the other option was to do a wall here instead of railing, but we felt like railing would make the space look a lot more open and big. So we decided to do that. So let's do the first bedroom here. There's a nice little linen closet in here. And again, they put shelving in, which is awesome. But this is the guest room. So this is basically where we're gonna have like a little guest room setup, bed, nightstands, and all that good stuff. So when family comes over, they can stay in here. Again, more windows, and then we have a nice double door closet for the guests. So right next to the guest room, we have a bathroom, which is the guest bathroom. And here's what it looks like. It has double sink for guests, you know, if it's more than one, they have comfortable space to do their thing. And then we have toilet and shower. I really like that these showers have the tub at the bottom. They're not like just standalone showers. We're gonna have the option to do baths. Like we'll probably have salt for them, bath bombs, all that good stuff. So they can feel like they're at a hotel. If we move over here, these double doors are our laundry area. So they open up and this is where we're gonna put our washer and dryer. And then I really like the shelving up there too. So that's very convenient. And I feel like this also saves a lot of space because most houses, new houses, generally have like a laundry room where it's like, you know, a big laundry room. Sometimes it comes with the sink, but I like the closeted one because it gives more space for living. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't take up so much space in the house. It's just a closet for the washer dryer. On this side of the washer dryer, we have what is going to become our office filming space. And we decided to do it in this room because this is probably the smallest of the three. So we wanted to keep, you know, the second biggest one for the guest room and then the master room. So this is going to be where we film, where we work and all that stuff. And I love the lighting in here. Again, the lighting is just like a dream. I feel like that's one thing that really sold us too is how much light comes in. It's awesome. So yeah, this is pretty standard room size. And then we have a closet in here. Again, with shelving. This is a nice spacious closet. Probably put my filming stuff in here. And yeah, it's just good to have as much storage as possible. Right across from the office is our master bedroom, which is obviously where Eric and I will be sleeping. And come on in, I want to show you guys what it looks like. So it's pretty spacious in here. Definitely a lot more than we expected, but we're super thankful. I feel like Dakota, our pup, is gonna love it. This is also gonna be her room probably. But we have like the standard layout that we want. We want the bed, the night tables and all that. And then in here we have our closet. This closet is so spacious. Like it's definitely gonna fit our clothes and more. So we're very, very thankful for that. But this, we still haven't decided whose side is whose. If you come and look, it's like this. And then it has like a nice L shape where like, you know, you have more back here. So, whose side is whose, honey?
That's my side.
Why?
So I can put all my shoes up there.
Okay. Yeah, I don't mind having this because I hang most of my clothes. So yeah, this is our closet. So now if you walk out over here, this is where our master bathroom is, which is gorgeous. We have the double sink, or double vanity as they like to say. And then we have the toilet here, the shower and the bathtub. And then we have another closet in here, which we can use to organize our linens, our toiletries, and all that good stuff. So we love it, very spacious. So now we're gonna take you guys all the way to the basement to show you guys what the basement looks like. One of the things that I love about this space, which we didn't even know was gonna be there, is this shelf is like really, it adds like a really nice touch to this part of the house. And I feel like we can put vinyl records up here, pictures of our wedding, like it's really nice. It adds a nice accent. But yeah, if we keep going downstairs, we have a bedroom down here. Yeah, it's just a standard bedroom in here. The lighting is definitely a lot different in the basement, but that's very standard, right? Basements are usually darker. But yeah, this is one of the rooms here. And then right next to the bedroom, we also have another bathroom. And this is a full bath, so it has sink, toilet, shower, and this one is a stand shower, so it doesn't have the tub, but I feel like this is perfect too for when, you know, more space the better, more living space the better. So we love that the basement came finished as well. And then there's a closet right here, and then this leads to the big basement living space. Turn the lights on. Sorry. This is the recreation area. This is going to be like Eric's area where he sets up. We're thinking about getting a ping pong table. We have a couch for down here already, TV, all that good stuff. This is going to be his man cave basically. But it's very nice and spacious. And then this door right here leads to the mechanical room. It has like the HVAC unit, all of the water supply and all that stuff. So that's what's over here. And then we have more storage over here, which eventually we'll want to turn into like a movie room. But for now, it's just like an unfinished storage area. But yeah, that's basically everything. So let's go back upstairs and wrap this up. So that's basically it for our empty house tour. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is definitely something that we've been working hard towards for some time now, something that we've been long awaiting, and we're so excited that it's finally here. Thank you guys so much for joining us along this journey, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.